Hi guys, it's me Tina and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video guys, it's my birthday and as usual, I'm going to travel to Armenia naman tayo this year. So ayun guys, nandito na kami sa airport and in 2 hours, mag-on boarding na kami. So ayun guys, be right back pag nasa Armenia na kami. See ya! Ayan guys, pa-board na kami. Kasama ko yung friend ko na si Princess. So dala-dala ko yung flowers na pinadala sa akin ng mom ko. Para naman feel ko na birthday ko, diba? May bulaklak. So ayan, yan gift siya sa akin ng mom ko. So dadalhin ko siya with me para makapag-picture ako with this flowers sa Armenia. So ayan guys, pa-board na kami. Third wheel ako, kasama ko yung mag-asawa kong friend. So, see you pag nasa Armenia na kami. Guys, finally nandito na kami sa loob ng aeroplano. So, hindi ko katabi yung dalawang mag-asawa na friend ko. Nandun sila sa kabilang dulo. Kasi gusto ko rin ng window seat. Kaya nasa kabilang dulo ako. So, ayun guys. Update ako ulit pag nasa Armenia na kami. See you. Guys, so landed na kami. Dito na kami sa Armenia. Say hi guys. Yung mag-asawa kong kasama. Third wheel ako, diba? So ayan guys, makukunin lang namin yung luggage namin. Then nakaabang na yung sundo namin sa labas. So ayan guys, para hassle free, kumuha na lang kami ng sarili naming personal driver and tour guide. So ayun guys, be right back. Hey guys, ngayon nag-a-avail kami ng eSIM or SIM card dito sa Armenia. So punta lang kayo dito sa shop na to, sa exit to mismo ng airport. So ayan si ate girl. Ayan. So the name of the shop is Ucom. So right. So just visit Ucom kung gusto niyo ng affordable na internet. Okay, so ang pinili namin is itong 30 gigabytes. So 3,000 Armenian dollar siya. So in Qatari Riyal, it's only 30 Qatari Riyal. So ang mura ng internet dito, guys. So ayan, visit nyo lang yung Ucom. And siya nga pala yung tour guide namin. And yan yung mga friends ko. He's our tour guide. Yeah, he's so kind and generous. And very responsive. So yun guys, ibibigay ko rin sa inyo yung link and account niya para pag gusto nyo ng tour guide dito sa Armenia, you can contact him. Be right back. Guys, first stop namin, pumunta kami dito sa supermarket malapit sa apartment namin. So ayan, ang daming wine dito. Mura pa. So bibili kami ng food para tomorrow breakfast. And ngayon din magsasnack kami kasi gutom kami. So ayan guys. Good thing malapit lang yung supermarket sa apartment namin. So, let's go! Daming alak dito guys, eh. Wine, beers, ang mura. Ayan, right back guys! Guys, ito yung apartment na na-rent namin dito sa Yerevan, Armenia. So, malapit lang siya sa airport. It's like 20 minutes away. And malapit siya sa mga grocery store. So, ayan guys. First, this is the entrance. So, yung lock nila is very safe. It's passcode. Hindi siya dicky. So, passcode siya. And then, after that, this is the washroom. Ayan. Ayan siya, shower, toilet. And then next, this is the toilet too. Ayan. So, ayan. And then, let's go to the bedroom 1. So, ito yung bedroom ko since mag-isa lang ako sa room na to. Kaya medyo mas maliit. It's for single. So, ayan siya. It's good. Ayan. Maganda yung interior nila, guys. So, next, let's go to our living room. So, ayan, medyo makalat kasi nag-grocery kami ng food. Ayan, may TV. And ayan yung couch. Ayan, and our chef Ronnie. Nagluluto ng breakfast. So, this is the kitchen, guys. Ayan. Ang ganda din yung kitchen namin. May microwave, may fridge. Ayan. So, this is the bedroom 2, which is ang bedroom ng mag-asawa. Kaya, third wheel ako. So, ayan yung bedroom nila. Mas malaki kasi good for to siya. Ayan. And there's a big cabinet here. So, yeah. So, yan lang yung apartment namin, guys. Maganda naman siya. So, nabook namin to through booking.com. Hi guys! So, welcome back again to my channel. So, for today, guys, it's our day 1 here in Armenia. And we will go to the most popular places here in Armenia. So, for location siya, guys. And medyo hindi lang maganda yung panahon dito sa city. As you can see, it's raining. Pero sabi naman ng tour guide namin, pagdating naman daw dun sa location, may snow daw. And hindi wala naman na daw siguro ulan. So, ayun guys. Siguro mga 1 to 2 hours yung travel time namin. So, I'll be right back pag nandun na kami sa first location namin. See you!
In front of the Garni temple, which was constructed in 1st century. It's devoted to the god of Sun Mitra. It's a pagan temple. So this temple is only the temple which we have in Armenia. As I told you, the temple is a pagan temple and it's devoted to the god of Sun Mitra. When we adopt Christianity, all the pagan temples during the time they was destroyed, and instead of the there inside the rock it's a church, and another one is in 13th century. So we are transferred to the part which is from 13th century, and on the left side you will see doors.
Ayan guys, andito kami ngayon sa second location, which is the Gegard Church. So, ayan siya. Ganda guys, diba? See? Umuulan pa ng snow yung punta namin. Sobrang ganda. So, let's go! Guys, we're here now at Lake Sivan. So, mahaba-habang akyatan to. Hinihingal na kami. So, let's see. Kasi maganda daw yung view. We're here now in Lake Sivan, guys. Ayan. This is one of the biggest lake here in Armenia. So, see? Ganda, guys. Welcome back again to my channel. So for today, guys, it's our day 2 and may 4 location ulit kaming pupuntahan. So medyo makapal ang far natin today kasi mas makapal ang snow dun sa pupuntahan namin. So ayun guys, hindi na ako nakapag video nung natapos na yung tour namin kahapon kasi sobrang pagod na kami. So ayun guys, be right back pag nandun na kami sa first location. Guys, this is our first stop. They called it Samosavank Monastery. Ayan. Sobrang kapal ng snow, guys.
I will show you where to go.
See? So guys, we're here now in our second stop, which is the Myler Mountain Resort. So ayan siya guys. Nautal ako magsalita kasi ang lamig. So dito yung may cable car and some snow activities. So ayan, pupunta kami sa taas kasi magki-cable car kami. So yeah. So nice. Guys, kapag pupunta kayo sa gantong lugar like puro snow na makakapal, kailangan naka-shades kayo kasi without shades, sobrang nakakasilaw, masakit sa mata. So ayun guys. Punta na kami sa cable car. Guys, andito na kami sa cable car with my friends, si Ronnie, Ogie, ang asawa niyang si Princess. Ayan, sobrang taas namin guys, imagine. Sa inyo, sobrang taas. Tapos paakyat pa. My God. So ayan guys, cable car in Myler Mountain Resort.
Armenian alphabet monument, Armenian letters, which was put it here in 2005. When it's come already 1,600 years that we have Armenian letters. This letter is totally different from other letters. There are 39.
Guys, nandito kami sa Republic Square, which is yung city. Sa city to guys, Republic Square. Ayan. Ang ganda dito guys. So dito mura mamili ng mga souvenirs, ng mga pasalubong. So ayan guys, city to sa Yerevan. Republic Square. Ayan, may kumakanta, nagbabas. Ayan guys, let's go. Mamimili kami ng souvenirs. So kakatapos lang ng tour namin. Kaya nandito kami ngayon sa city para mag-ano ng time. Kasi sayang ang aga-aga pa. So mag-iikot-ikot muna kami dito and mamimili na rin ng pasalubong. Yan, Public Square. Guys, so welcome back again to my channel guys. So this is our day 3 here in Armenia. So this is our first stop. So as you can see, ito daw yung tinatawag na church kung saan daw namatay yung Maria Magdalena. So may ano din daw sa loob, parang cemetery, ganyan. So next ng video na to is nandun yung explanation ng tour guide namin kung ano ba tong lugar na to. Medyo mahirap kasi ibigkas yung pangalan ng church. So ayun lang yung naintindihan ko, na dito daw si Maria Magdalena namatay. So parang kaya tinawag to na Maria Magdalena Church in English. So ayun guys, this is our day 3 and this is our first stop. Yan.
This church we call Saint Ripsime. Same like in English, it's famous like Maria Magdalena. Okay, this church was constructed during the 7th century. And here also inside the church we have a place. There is a tomb which is devoted to the Maria Magdalena.
So guys, this is our second stop, which is the Mother Cathedral. May mass ngayon guys kasi Sunday dito ngayon. So ayan yung Mother Cathedral nila.
So this one is in front of us is a gate of the our main cathedral, Mother Cathedral, which was constructed during the 4th century, and also it's a residential place for our Catholics.
Okay. So guys, nandito kami ngayon sa main church ng Armenia, which is the Mother Cathedral. Yeah. So this is our tour guide. So may mass ngayon guys kasi Sunday. So actually, favorite daw to puntahan ng mga Filipino dito because I guess little bit similar siya sa Catholic Church. Pero hindi to Catholic Church guys. 99% dito sa Armenia is Orthodox yung tawag sa church nila. Meron din silang cross like same sa atin na mga Catholic, pero iba yung may pagkakaiba na paniniwala. But anyway guys, magkakaiba man tayo ng mga religion, at ang mahalaga naman is lahat tayo naniniwala na may God. Yun ang pinaka-importante, na naniniwala tayo kay God. So yun yung pinaka-importante sa lahat. So ayan guys, we're here now in the Mother Cathedral. This is our second location in our day 3. So guys, hi guys, we're here now in our third location, which is the Varnots Cathedral. So ayan siya guys, ang ganda ng ruins niya. Ayan, so nandito kami ngayon. And pag pumunta kayo dito, magbabayad lang kayo ng entrance na worth 1,500 Armenian dirham. In Qatari Riyal, it's 15 Qatari Riyals. So not bad. Cheap lang yung mga entrance fee dito, guys. So ayun. Ayan, guys. So let's go.
This one is a sun clock which shows the time, and this stick make a shadow here, and like that people understand what time is it.
Oh.
Daytime.
So guys, we will enter the Zvarnot Museum. So let's go inside. Wow. Yung loob ng museum, guys, ng Varnots. Ayan. So, ito yung ruins dun sa labas. Ganyan daw siya before nung buo pa siya. Ayan, ang ganda niya, guys. Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. So for today guys, this is our day 3 here in Armenia. So our first stop is Corvisap? Corvirap. So that's our first stop. So we're here now. Medyo mahirap lang paakyat guys. Ang taas-taas. So be right back guys pag andun na kami sa taas. So that's the view.
Under that church there is a dungeon which before we use as a prison. When Grigory Illuminator come to Armenia to change the religion here from paganism to Christianity, soldiers took him to the dungeon.
Guys, sabi niya, what's the name? Gregory?
Saint Grigory Illuminator.
Saint Gregory daw. Diyan daw naka-prison ng matagal na panahon. So, bababa kami. 6 meters deep.
6 meters deep, yeah. This one is the place where Saint Grigory Illuminator stayed for 13 years.
Siya yung saint na sinasabi niya, guys, na nakakulong daw dito for 13 years. They called it dungeon. So, yan yung inakyat namin, imagine. Dito kami ngayon, guys. May pa-wine sila here. So, this is the pomegranate wine.
Anong tayo?
Ayan. Pomegranate wine.
Chill.
Dito siya sa baba ng Corvirap. Ayan. Guys, this is our second stop, which is the Areni Winery. So, we're going inside now, guys.
She will make a tour now.
Okay. Okay. Oh, wow. Daming wine, guys. See? Wow.
An aged red dry wine. Dry means during fermentation, all the natural sugar inside the grape is exposed into alcohol completely, and in the result we have dry wine. We aged the red dry wine inside this wooden oak barrel 1.5 year, no more. Then we bottle the wine immediately. Here you see different years bottled wines. The oldest bottled wine here is in 1994, the same
Wow,
year when this wine
1994.
factory was founded. Factory inside the wine will work into vinegar. Now we are going to see the second part. There I'm going to show you our old traditional clay pots, please.
Wow. Let's go, guys. Ang bango sa winery. Ano, guys? Maamoy mo talaga na fresh ang kanilang wine. Ito yung ano nila, guys.
Clay pots or big ceramic jars. In Armenian, we call them garas. They all are closed and embalmed with beeswaxes in order not to let air goes inside these clay pots. To age red dry wine inside a clay pot, it is very old, ancient Armenian traditional way.
Ito tayo sa loob ng shop nila ngayon, guys. So, ayan yung mga tinitinda nila. And they have also the wine tasting. So, ayan, mag-wine tasting tayo, guys.
Photos of two types of grapes. From red grape, that is called Areni, we produce red dry, oak barrel aged, clay pot aged. Dry means bitter, not sweet.
Okay.
Semi-dry, semi-sweet.
So, ayan guys, nag-wine tasting ako. Cheers. Actually, hindi talaga ako fan ng wine, pero gusto kong i-try.
you can pour here.
It's good. Masarap yung wine nila dito kahit hindi ako mahilig sa wine. So, ayan guys. Visit kayo dito pag pumunta kayo sa Armenia, lalo na sa mga mahihilig sa wine. Perfect kayo dito. Ayan. So, this is Areni Winery.
Fruit wine.
So guys, nakita nyo naman, may pa-drone shot pa yung tour guide namin sa dito. So guys, if you need any tour guide, you can contact Mr. Livon. Just message me. I will send his number to you guys if you want a best tour guide in Armenia. And he have drone as well. And see, the husband of my friend is so annoying. Guys, so this is our day 5 here in Armenia since na-stranded kami dahil na-cancel yung flight namin last night. Supposedly dapat ngayon nasa Qatar na kami, but since dahil sa nangyayaring tensyon, nagbobombahan pa rin sa Qatar, so hindi kami makabalik. So nandito pa rin kami sa Armenia ngayon. It's our day 5 and kailangan namin lumipat ng ibang hotel since may naka-reserve na daw sa apartment na tinutuluyan namin. So ngayon, lipat apartment kami. So let's go guys. I hope hindi kami sobrang matagalan dito. So I'll be back guys pag nandun na kami sa lilipatan naming apartment. Guys, nandito na kami sa another apartment. So actually guys, yung may-ari din ng unang apartment namin, yung may-ari neto. So kaya lang kami lumipat dito kasi nga may naka-reserve na dun sa unang apartment niya. Pero for us, mas maganda to. So sana bukas available ulit siya, pero sabi niya kailangan ulit namin bumalik dun sa una kasi nga may nakabook din daw dito. So ayun, pero sayang mas maganda sana dito guys. Ayan, tingnan nyo. Ito yung room ko. So, dalawa yung bedroom niyan. Dalawa yung bed, I mean. Mas elegant dito actually, kumpara dun sa una. So, ito yung kwarto ng mag-asawa. Malaki yung bed nila. Tapos, maganda rin dito yung toilet. Na social. Mukha ko yan. Ayan. Tapos, yung washing nila nandito na rin sa CR. Tapos, ito yung liguan. Mas maganda dito. Tapos, same price nga lang din binigay sa amin. So, china-charge nga kami ngayon per day. Kasi hindi namin alam until kailan kami dito sa Armenia. Since na-stranded nga kami dahil sa bombahan sa Qatar. Ay, so ayan guys, ang ganda. Meron din balcony. So, pwede kaming magkape-kape dito, di ba? Ayan. Mas gusto ko dito guys. Ayan, may pa-balcony. Di ba? Ayan. Pero ayun nga lang guys, until ngayon lang daw to available. Kaya dito niya muna kami pinagstay. Pero hopefully, hindi matuloy yung nag-book dito. Para dito pa din kami. Pero if matuloy yung nag-book dito for tomorrow, mabalik kami dun sa unang apartment. So ayun guys, update ko kayo ulit if anything happen. Kung matutuloy yung flight namin within tomorrow or tonight. Pero sa sitwasyon ngayon sa Qatar, we don't think so na makakabalik kami. So, nakakalungkot kasi dapat nasa Qatar na kami ngayon pero dahil nga sa nangyayari, hindi kami makabalik. That's why we're stranded here now in Armenia. So, enjoy na lang namin yung stay namin dito guys. So, ayun, this is our day 5. So, be right back again, guys. Hey guys, so this is our day 6 now here in Armenia. So ngayon, lipat apartment serye na naman kami. But the good thing ng apartment is sa taas lang nung pinanggalingan namin since may nakabook na naman daw doon for today. So yung owner ng apartment, minove ulit kami dito sa taas lang din. And it's more amazing, guys. Mas maganda siya actually. So itutur ko kayo sa third apartment namin dito sa Armenia. Taas, pinakataas to guys, galing kami dun sa baba. So this is the entrance. So uso dito sa Armenia, yung may lagayan talaga sila agad ng mga shoes sa entrance. Tapos syempre the heater. And this is the toilet. So yung toilet dito guys, magkasama na yung ihian and dumihan. And ito yung shower area. Ayan, and may pa-washing din. So hindi nawawalan ng washing yung apartment. And mas social dito guys. Ayan, di ba? Ang ganda nung sink nila dito. See? And then, after that, this is the first bedroom, which is yung bedroom ng mag-asawa. Ayan. Nagulo na nila yung bed. Pero mas malaki yung room nila. Kasi dalawa din sila. So, ayan. And then, this is my room. This is the bedroom 2, which is my room. Ayan. Mas gusto ko to, mas malaki sa mga naging kwarto ko nung mga nagdaang araw. So, this is my room. Ayan siya. And this is our big living room. So, mas malaki yung living room dito. Malawak, ayan. And, mas malawak ang balcony. Mas maganda dito, guys. Mas malaki ang balcony. And, binigay niya lang ng same price. So, that's our view. It's city view. And siya, ang lawak ng balcony. Oh, imagine, guys. Pakalawak. Sarap dyan mag muni-muni. Malamig nga lang. And this is our kitchen. And mas malaki yung ref dito compare dun sa mga nauna naming apartment. So, ayan. With Chef Ronnie. Chef Ronnie in the house. Na napakasarap magluto. Buti na lang may chef kami. Yun na lang talaga may chef kami dito, guys. Kung hindi, nga. So, ayan. Yung dining area. And, ito pa, mayroon ding lamesa dito. And may pa-flowers na iwan siguro ng last guest. So, that's our third apartment, guys, here in Armenia in our day 6. And we're still stranded here since the airspace is still closed. So, let's see kung hanggang kailan kami dito. Hi guys, it's me Tina and welcome back again to my channel, guys. So for today, guys, this is our day 7 here in Armenia since na-stuck kami dahil sa nangyayaring bombahan ngayon sa Qatar and closed pa rin ang airspace, so hindi kami makabalik. So extended na kami ngayon, guys. So it's our day 7 and we are here now in Cascade Complex. So ayan, guys, we're here now in Cascade Complex. So malapit lang to sa city, malapit siya sa Republic Square. So, walking distance lang siya by our hotel. So, ayan siya, guys. So, nandito kami ngayon sa Vernasach Market na tinatawag nila. So, para siyang merkado sa atin, guys. Ayan siya. Marami silang mga tinda-tindang mga souvenirs, mga silver, ganon, mga accessories. So, ito yung tinatawag na Vernasach Market, guys. Here. this is our day 9 here now in Armenia. Since stranded pa rin kami and hindi pa rin kami makabalik ng Qatar. So ayun guys, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog ng day 8 namin kahapon since hindi kami lumabas, sa apartment lang kami and nag-upload lang kami ng pictures buong araw. So ito guys, this is our day 9 and dito kami ngayon sa Republic Square. So maganda dito guys kung gusto nyo mag-shopping and kumain, maraming restaurants and mga mall dito. So yan guys. So, medyo maulan yung weather today and sobrang lamig. Pero, ayun, hopefully makabalik na kami sa Doha soon. Pero, worth it naman yung pagstay namin dito kasi safe din dito sa Armenia and ang ganda ng mga napapasyalan namin. So, again guys, this is our day 9 and let's go! Morning guys! So this is our day 10 here now in Armenia. So sorry wala akong makeup guys kasi kakagising lang namin and kailangan namin bumili ng breakfast and ng lunch for today. So good thing malapit lang yung supermarket dito sa apartment na tinutuluyan namin. So yeah, this is our day 10 of being stranded here in Armenia. So far we're good and na-enjoy pa naman namin yung Armenia. Pero syempre, namimiss na namin umuwi ng Qatar since nandun yung trabaho namin. So ayun, good thing yung dalawa kong kasama na mag-asawa ay na-enjoy na lang din nila and hindi sila masyadong nag-worry din. So ayun guys, again, this is our day 10 and we'll see kung lalabas kami today. But ayun, lalabas lang kami ngayon to do the grocery. So ayun, and yeah, ito na alam mo nung sasabihin ko guys kasi medyo nabablanko ako pag umaga. So ayun lang guys, quick update lang na ayun, nandito pa din kami and sobrang bilis lang din ng araw guys. Imagine day 10 na namin ngayon. So hopefully makabalik na kami ng Doha. Hindi namin alam hanggang kailan pa kami dito, but still there's no update na open na yung airspace. It's still closed. So, update ko ulit kayo guys kung lalabas mo kami later or what. Right back! Guys, so it's me Tina and welcome back again to my channel guys. So, for today's video guys, it's our day 12 here in Armenia. So, medyo matagal-tagal na rin kaming stranded dito and until now, there's still no confirmation from our airline kung kailan mag-open yung flights or airspace going to Qatar. So, sobrang hirap lang dito sa Armenia guys kasi ang hirap from here magkaroon ng other option mag-cross country. Kasi yung mga malalapit na country dito is kailangan ng visa. So, ayun, hopefully ma-approve yung request namin na repatriation sa OWA dito. So, kasi may mga nakilala kaming grupo Filipino dito sa Armenia and in-advise kami na kontakin din daw namin yung OWA dito or Philippine Embassy. So, ayun, as per the OWA, they will try their best para mabigyan kami ng repatriation. They're just looking for the ticket kasi yung ticket daw from Philippines pa. So, naghahanap sila ng flights na hindi dadaan ng Middle East. So, yun yung inaantay namin. So, at least we have two options while waiting for the airspace to open. We're also waiting for the repatriation. So, kung ano na lang yung mauna, guys. So, kung mauna yung repatriation, then good thing. Kasi makakasama ko yung family ko sa Philippines. And I guess it's easier for us kung sa Manila kami manggagaling going to Doha. So, we'll see guys. Since hindi na rin kami masyadong lumalabas ngayon, lumalabas lang kami para mag-grocery sa labas kasi malapit lang yung supermarket dito. So, hindi na kami nagtutour since tapos na rin yung tour namin. Nalibot na namin halos buong Armenia. And eto, nasa apartment lang kami. Eto ako sa bedroom ko. Nagpapahinga. Sinusulit ko din kasi pahinga ko na din to. So, yun guys, I will keep you posted for our stranded journey here in Armenia. So, pray lang talaga na sana maging okay na ang lahat sa Qatar and other GCC country. Sana matigil na yung tension and matigil na yung bomb attack. So, I really hope na magkaroon na ng peace sa GCC country and Iran and Israel. So, yes guys, it's our day 12 and we'll see until when kami ma-stranded dito. And hopefully, sana ma-approve agad yung repatriation or makakuha sila agad ng ticket going to Philippines para makalabas na kami dito. So, I will be keep on posting guys. So, ayun guys, be right back again. Hi guys! Welcome back again to my channel. So, for today guys, it's our day 12 here in Armenia. So, maglilipat kami ng apartment. Since yung apartment na tinuluyan namin is may naka-reserve na daw today. So, lipat apartment na naman kami. So, this is our day 12 and hopefully mag-open na yung airspace guys. Kasi grabe, pang ilang lipat na namin to. Pangatlo na. So, be right back guys pag nandun na kami. Guys, this is the apartment na nilipatan namin. So, ito yung entrance niya. Then, ito yung toilet. Ayan. Medyo halos same lang dun sa inalisan namin. And then, ito yung kitchen. Washing, lutuan. And ito yung kwarto ng mag-asawa. Ayan. And ito naman yung kwarto ko. So, twin bed. So, yung view namin is mga bahay-bahay. Ayan. So, not bad. Okay naman siya. And ayun yung ayun yung landlord. Kausap ng friend ko. So, ayun siya guys. Sa pinaka nagustuhan ko dito sa apartment na nilipatan namin guys, may mga amenities sila. Ayan. Parang pang hotel talaga sila oh. Yung mga pinanggalingan kasi namin wala. So, ayan. Kaayos na kami ng gamit, guys. Ayan. May TV din. And heater and aircon. Ayan siya. Guys, andito kami ngayon sa Yerevan Mall para mamili ng grocery dahil ito yung medyo malapit sa nilipatan naming apartment. Then, may KFC and Carrefour dito, guys. So, let's go inside. Tingnan natin kung anong itsura ng mall dito sa Yerevan, Armenia. Ito yung food court nila, guys. May Burger King, may KFC. So, ayan. Like, same mall in Qatar din. Ayan. So, napili ko, guys, Burger King. Kasi yung KFC dito walang rice. So welcome back again to my channel. So for today guys, it's our day 14 here in Armenia. So actually this is also our last night here guys since we decided to move tomorrow. So yung napagdesisyon na namin ng mga kasama ko guys, tomorrow morning magla-land trip kami from here in Armenia going to Tbilisi, Georgia. So lately lang din kasi namin nalaman na pwede palang mag-land trip. So, pagdating namin ng Tbilisi tomorrow, which is in Georgia, dun kami nag-book ng flight from Tbilisi, Georgia to Oman. Since open ang flight ng Oman to Doha. Since alam naman natin, closed ang airspace, so walang Armenia direct to Doha since closed ang airspace. So, our only option is Oman to Doha. Since yun lang ang may open na flight, on 15. So, ayun guys, ang dating namin tomorrow sa Tbilisi, Georgia is 12 p.m. And then, ang flight namin Georgia to Oman is 4 p.m. So actually guys, connecting yung ginawa namin. So from Tbilisi, dadaan muna siya ng Istanbul. Then from Istanbul, magsa-stop over muna kami doon. And then going to Oman. Then when we arrive in Oman, magsa-stay muna kami ng 1 day doon since ang arrival namin sa Oman is March 14 ng 3 a.m. and ang flight namin ng Oman to Doha is 9 a.m. ng March 15. So magsistay muna kami ng 1 day sa Oman, guys. So at least ma-explore man lang namin ng Oman, 'di ba? So ayun yung journey namin ngayon sa Armenia, guys. And imagine umabot kami ng day 14 dito dahil sa war na nangyari. Alam naman natin kung ano nangyayari ngayon sa Middle East. So at least, thank God, finally, matutuloy na rin yung pagbalik namin ng Qatar. So thank God, nag-open yung flight ng Oman to Doha on March 15. So ayun guys, i-update ko na lang kayo ulit kapag nakarating na kami sa Oman. Hi guys, so welcome back again to my channel. So for today guys, this is our day 15 now here in Armenia. And at the moment guys, nagla-land trip na kami from Armenia to Georgia. So ayun guys, ayan, sa biyahe na kami and it will take like 5 to 6 hours travel time. So ayun guys, nag-land trip na kami kasi ito yung pinaka-easier way para makapunta din ng Georgia nang hindi na kami mag-aeroplano. And at the same time, mas cheaper din siya. And mas mabilis kasi 5 to 6 hours lang din. Kasi lalo na ngayon na medyo delayed ang mga flight. So ayun guys, update ako ulit pag nasa Georgia na kami. Dito na kami sa border guys. Ganito yung itsura. Tatatakan kanila ng Armenia na may sign na sasakyan. So, yung sasakyan namin, inaantay lang namin. Nandun siya, lumulusot lang. So, ayan. Nakalagpas na kami guys. Nasa border na kami ng Georgia and Armenia. So, ganyan yung itsura ng border nila. Hi guys! Nandito na kami ngayon sa Tbilisi, Georgia Airport. So, pa-check-in na kami. Ayan. So, our flight is Georgia to Istanbul, then Istanbul to Oman. So, pa-check-in na kami guys after 6 hours drive from Armenia to here sa Georgia. So, dito na rin kami binaba ng driver guys. Kasi sakto, binaba niya kami dito ng 12 p.m. Then yung flight namin is 4:40 p.m. So, ayun guys, be right back. Mag-check-in lang kami. Hi guys, nakasakay na kami ngayon sa aeroplano. So, Georgia to papuntang Istanbul. So, it will take like 2 to 3 hours travel time. So, update ko kayo pag nakarating na kami ng Istanbul guys. So, medyo malayo-layo pa ang lalakbayin namin bago makarating ng Qatar. So, ito guys, ito na yung second stop namin, which is Istanbul. And then next, Oman, then Qatar. So, be right back guys! Hi guys! Nandito na kami ngayon sa Istanbul. So, ang bilis guys, pagkalapag namin ng Istanbul, kumain lang kami saglit, then nag-boarding na kami pa Oman. So, ito guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa loob ng eroplano, papuntang Oman. So, finally guys, thank God, safe kaming nakalapag dito sa Istanbul from Georgia. So, ngayon naman guys, last stop na namin yung Oman. So, from Oman, yun na yung flight namin punta ng Qatar sa March 15. So, magsistay lang kami tomorrow ng isang araw sa Oman, then pa Qatar na kami. So, ayun guys, I'm praying again for our safe landed sa Oman. So, update ko kayo guys pag nasa Oman na kami. Hey guys, so kakaland lang namin dito ngayon sa Oman Airport. So, we're here now. Kukunin lang namin yung package namin and then mag-check-in na kami dun sa apartment na kinuha namin. So, ayun guys. Thank God, safe landed din kami dito sa Oman. God is so good. So, ayun guys, update ko na lang kayo pag nakarating na kami dun sa apartment namin. So, hi guys! Welcome back again to my channel. So, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kanina guys nung dumating kami sa Qatar kasi naging emotional din ako actually nung pag-land kasi ng eroplano, na teary-eyed ako kasi parang hindi ako makapaniwala ng after ng lahat ng napagdaanan naming pag-travel, makabalik lang ng Qatar. Imagine, nag-land trip kami from Armenia to Georgia. Then from Georgia, nag-book kami ng plane there going to Istanbul. Then Istanbul to Oman. Then Oman to Doha. And I'm back. So, ayun, naging medyo emotional lang ako. So, nawala na rin sa isip ko mag-vlog. So, ayun guys, that's my Armenia journey and stranded ako doon ng 15 days. And also, yung Oman trip ko naman is separate vlog ko na lang din siya. So, dahil 1 day lang kami sa Oman, so separate vlog siya, guys. So, ayun guys, thank you for watching this video and thank God dahil safe akong nakabalik ng Qatar. And hopefully, sana matapos na rin yung gulo na nangyayari sa Middle East. Kasi to be honest, right now, medyo kinakabahan ako kasi hindi ko pa na-experience yung pakiramdam ng makarinig ng bomba. Kasi nga nung nag-start yung missile attack dito sa Qatar, wala ako dito, 'di ba? So, ayun, hindi ko alam kung anong i-react ko. So, hopefully, sana matapos na and magkaroon na ng peace sa buong mundo, guys. So, ayun, guys. Thank you for watching this video and hope to see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!